By the end of this video, you will know the Bollinger Band squeeze setup with exact entry rules, including the one volatility signal that precedes every major market move and how to position before it fires. Most videos on Bollinger Bands give you theory. This one gives you the exact if-then rules so you can execute from this today, entry, stop, and target included. Bollinger Band squeezes, defined as bandwidth reaching a 6-month low, have preceded moves of 5% or greater within 20 trading days over 65% of the time across large-cap stocks. Here is what this looks like on a real chart right now. Look at today's live chart. I am going to show you the current Bollinger Band width and whether a squeeze is forming right now. Here is the problem costing most volatility traders and swing traders real money. The biggest Bollinger Band myth is the band touch trade. In a strong trend, price can ride the upper band for weeks. Short selling every upper band touch in a bull market is a guaranteed account killer. The actual edge in Bollinger Bands comes from volatility analysis, the band squeeze. When the bands contract and narrow, volatility is compressing. And after every period of compression comes an explosive expansion. That expansion, the breakout from the squeeze, is where the real opportunity lives. Here is the exact framework. 3 rules any chart, starting today. Step 1. If the Bollinger Bands are at a multi-month low in width, a squeeze is forming and a big move is loading. Add the name to your breakout watch list immediately. Step 2. If bandwidth is at a 3-month low or lower, you want to be positioned before the breakout fires. Watch for the first close outside the bands on volume. Step 3. If price closes above the upper band on expanding volume after a squeeze, enter long. If it closes below the lower band, enter short. The direction of the break is the direction of the trade. Step 4. If price returns to the 20-period midline after the breakout, exit. The squeeze failed. If it does not return to the midline, trail your stop up the midline as the trend develops. Screenshot those rules right now. Those are your exact conditions before you touch any trade. Here are the exact rules. Write these down. Rule 1. When the bands contract and squeeze together, expect a big move soon in either direction. Rule 2. Price touching the upper band in a strong trend is not a sell signal. It is a continuation signal. Rule 3. Price touching the lower band after a squeeze breaking upward is a buy signal. Rule 4. Bandwidth tells you volatility. Narrow bands mean low volatility. Wide bands mean high volatility. John Bollinger created these bands in the 1980s with one core insight. Volatility is cyclical. Periods of low volatility are always followed by high volatility. When bands are wide, the market has already moved. When they are narrow, the market is coiling for its next move. The professional setup is to buy the quietest stocks on your watch list, the ones with the narrowest bands relative to their history. Those are the ones about to explode. After this framework, I am going to check the Bollinger Band width on today's top mover and tell you whether it is in a squeeze or an expansion right now. Here is what the tape looks like right now. SMCI is up 8.8% today, the biggest mover on the tape. Check the Bollinger Band width on this name. Is it squeezing? So a big move is loading. If the bands are already wide, the move may be extended and fading is higher risk. I am using today's live chart to show you exactly where these levels appear right now. The annotations are mapped to real price structure so you can see this in a live market, not just theory. SPY spent 3 weeks in a Bollinger Band squeeze with bandwidth dropping to the tightest in 6 months. On November 3rd, a strong bullish candle closed above the upper band on double average volume. A squeeze breakout long entry yielded a 12% move over the next 4 weeks before the bands fully expanded. The squeeze told traders exactly when to be positioned before the move started. Here is your complete checklist before you take any trade using this setup. Bandwidth is identified, squeeze or expansion. Is price near the upper or lower band? Is there a squeeze breaking with directional volume? Is the middle band acting as support or resistance? Stop is defined on the chart. Screenshot that. Before I give you the key takeaway, have you traded Bollinger Band squeezes before? Tell me in the comments what your results were like. Here is your key takeaway. Write this down. The squeeze is the setup. The breakout from the squeeze is the trade. Ride the expansion. Exit when bands fully widen. Scan your charts right now for names where the Bollinger Bands are at their narrowest reading in the last 3 months. Put every one of them on your watch list for a squeeze breakout. We identify Bollinger Band squeezes on our watch list every weekend and post the setups in Discord before they trigger. Link in the description. If you want the daily watch list delivered to you every morning, join us at patreon.com/c/ChartNavigators. Link is in the description. If this gave you one concrete edge today, hit like. It helps other traders find this. The full ChartNavigators series is in the description. Every video builds on the last. Watch them in order and you will have a complete trading framework in under 2 hours. Trade smart. Trade disciplined.